In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an autoresponder or an out-of-office email. For example, if you are out of your office, you're going to go on vacation, you will not be able to have access to your internet for quite some time. You can set the autoresponder so that any email that hits your account can receive an automatic response. So to set up that, you can come to this my Gmail account. You can come all the way to the settings here, go to see all settings and come all the way down. You can see vacation responder. You can turn it on because by default it is off. You can specify when you are going to go on vacation, for example today, and then the last day when you are expected to come back, maybe in a week, and then the subject I can say vacation. Okay, and then you can put in the text. Let's say I have this: dear responder, kindly know that I'm away for vacation. I'll respond as soon as I have access to my mail. Thank you, Dr. Rashid. You can send this to all the people within your contact if you want to. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on save. And this is going to now save, and you can now see vacation end now. Once you come back from vacation, you can click on vacation ends, or you can go to the settings and alter the settings as well. But any email that comes in will receive that automatic reply. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.